name is NURRIS binti Muhammad SAFERI and my ID is PA21077. Today, I and my members would like to share all of you about Nata de Coco. And here, I will introduce to all of you what is Nata de Coco. Nata de Coco is commonly known as a white, thick, smooth, cherry jelly-like translucent dessert that was originated in the Philippines. Nata de Coco is most commonly sweetened as a candy, dessert that finding its way into jellies, salad, puddings, ice cream, fruit cocktails, yogurts, and drinks. And now it was also probably become one of the Asians' favorite desserts. Nata de Coco was marketed as a coconut gel that produced by the fermentation of coconut water, which gels go through the production of microbial cellulose by Acetobacter. This living organism can be isolated in rotten fruits and vegetables, and it grows on the surface of sugar and rich coconut water or coconut milk. Nata de Coco was first created in 1973 in the Philippines by attempting to preserve coconut water as a jelly-like substance, and its names come from the Spanish that means cream of coconut or coconut milk skin. The term of nata itself is originated from Spanish language, which means cream. Therefore, nata de coco means cream from coconut. In the 19th century, the demand for coconuts was increased. The products that from coconuts become a major export product of the Philippines, including nata de coco. Therefore, there are some terms like nata de coco, which is nata from coconut water, nata de pina from pineapple juice, and nata de mango from mango juice. Over the years, nata de coco has become popular in the other countries like Japan, Korea, USA, Europe, Thailand, Indonesia, China, Vietnam, and here, Malaysia. Nata de coco is mainly made from coconut water, so it has a modest nutritional profile. 1 cup of nata de coco have weight 118 grams and contain 109 calories, which have 1 gram of protein and 7 grams of carbohydrate. It is often characterized as helpful since it contains dietary fiber to aid digestion while carrying fewer calories compared to other desserts. Nata de coco is highly regarded for its high content of dietary fiber and its low fat and cholesterol content. And it was also promoted as a healthy digestive system. A good quality of nata de coco has a high fiber, which have a spongy and crunchy texture. When it is being pressed by a finger, it can become as thin as a paper and it is hard to tear off due to its high fiber content. And that's all from me. And now I will pass to my next member, which is Priya, that will also explain about the principle of microorganism and products.
Good day, everyone. My name is PRIADHARSHINI, daughter of SELVAM, and my matrix number is PA21091. Today, I'm going to discuss about what is the principle of Acetobacter xylenum and Nata de coco. Nata de coco is a micronutrient called bacterial cellulase produced by Comagotobacter xylenus in the process of fermenting coconut water medium which enrich with carbon and nitrogen through a controlled process. The scientific name of K. xylenus is Acetobacter xylenum. A xylenum is a gram-negative aerobic bacterium that produced acetic acid during the fermentation process. A xylenum acts as microbiostarter culture used for production of nata de coco. Coconut water has rich and relatively complete nutritional content that stimulate bacterial growth so that it is being a suitable natural medium for microbial growth. During the production of nata de coco, glucose will be metabolized by a xylenum in the coconut water that act as carbon source. Moreover, convert it into extracellular cellulase as metabolites that has unique properties including crystallinity, high purity, and mechanical strength. These properties make Natari cocoa to be extremely amenable to research. Cellulose is the most abundant natural polymer on Earth and is the major constituent of the cell wall of plants. Cellulose product produced by aerobic bacteria, which is azalenum, is chemically and structurally similar to cellulase found in higher plants, and in addition is not contaminated by lignin or other cellulosic derivatives. This is one of the reasons that why azalenum serves as a potential model organism for the study of cellulase biosynthesis and other application in food industry. Azalenum is an acetic acid bacterium which is known for its potential to oxidize different type of sugar and alcohol to acetic acid. The level and the type of sugar added will influence the thickness and the nature of nata de coco formed. Sucrose is often used as a carbon source to produce a thick and hard nata de coco. With increasing level of sugar in the medium, the elasticity will increase and the hardness of nata will be lower. This is because high sugar level will lose the bonds between the fiber and therefore most of the formed gel will be filled with water and little solid. The elasticity of nata is influenced by a lot of lack of fiber. The higher the fiber content, the more elastic and the structure of nata. The chewiness of Natari cocoa is proportional to fiber content. Thank you.
Thank you to Priya. Next, I will pass to another member, which is Farah, that will explain you guys about the production of product.
Hi, my name is Farrah BINTI NOORDIN, and my number metric is PA21061. So, have you guys ever wondered how nata de coco have been made? So today, I'm going to explain the process of how nata de coco will be produced. Nata de coco going through quite a few processes to produce. First, the coconut will peel off, shaving, squeeze the fresh coconut in order to obtain the freshness ingredient of nata, and then we mix the ingredient of coconut milk, sugar, vinegar, and water, and then the R&D team will be cultivate Acetobacter xylenum and look for a suitable sample of nata, and then it will go to the ferment process that will take about 7 days, where the temperature must be under control to ensure the nata de coco will be grow healthy. After that, after 7 days, the certain thickness of nata de coco will be formalized, as you can see here. And then, after it has been harvested, the surface of the nata de coco will be cleaned. Each sheet of nata de coco will be putting into a cutting machine, and it will be cut into a small cube according to the size that required. And then it will be rinsed for 1 or 2 days in order to clean out the acid contained. And finally, the nata de coco will be cooked in a high temperature by adding sugar and the ingredient. And of course, the flavor that we have taste like lychee, strawberry, and grape. So it's quite a process, right? How about we taste it? Ta-da! So let's have a taste. Mmm, so yummy! I'm going to finish all of this and I'll pass to our sweet host. So thank you and bye-bye.
Thank you, Farah, for the explanation. Next, for the application of the product, I will pass to HAZREEL to explain.
Number is PA20163. Thank you for the question. First and foremost, the application of nata de coco is used in food products. Nata de coco used in products such as low-calorie desserts, salads, and high-fiber food. It is regarded for its high content of dietary fiber and its low fat and cholesterol content. Other than that, nata de coco also promotes a healthy digestive system. Nata de coco is usually produced in the form of thick sheets of pure cellulose that are then cut into a small uniform cubes, washed and boiled in water before cooking in sugar syrup for food applications. Nata de coco can consume on its own, but it also can use as ingredients for fruit salads, coconut cakes, ice creams, yogurt, bubble tea, and the other foods and drinks that you guys eat every day. Second application of nata de coco is commonly among the girls or women, which is nata de coco is used for the mask. Coconut water or nata de coco contains more vitamin and minerals that good for all skin masks. Coconut water which act as natural skin whitening, skin smoothing, anti-wrinkle, bruise blur, and providing moisture to the skin. Besides, coconut water also against bacteria on the skin and anti-aging. Today, scientists have discovered many use of coconut water for health and skin. For the example, coconut water contains cytokinase and lauric acid that can limit aging, maintain firmness, and moisture for connective tissue. In addition, it also can enhance metabolism and detoxify the body. Lastly, the application of nata de coco is in medical device, which is in the wound dressing. Nata de coco marks another new milestone that allows us to evolve from conventional concept where nata de coco does not only a chewy food, but it can be applied on the medication usage. Nata de coco is currently used in a number of medical applications, especially as wound dressing and burn dressing. It was proven that bacterial cellulose from nata de coco does not only protect our burn wound, but also accelerate the healing process and hence is effective in promoting wound healing in case of second-degree skin burn. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, HAZREEL, for the explanation. And for the last part, Aisha, our last member, will explain to us about the benefit of the product.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am AISYA NADIRAH binti ABDUL JAMIL. My matrix ID is PA21086 and I want to talk about the benefit of nata de coco. Well, actually nata de coco consists a lot of vitamin. For an example, it consists vitamin B, vitamin B1, vitamin B2 and also vitamin C. And all of these vitamin help to boost our immune system. Other than that, it also contains a high dietary fiber which will help to aid our digestive system and also prevent constipation and other coronary disease. Other than that, it also low in calories, which means The diabetic person also can consume the nata de coco, but in the moderate consumption. Besides that, the diabetic person doesn't have to worry about their blood sugar level because the nata de coco will not affect the concentration of the sugar in their bodies. I mean, in their bloods. Okay. In addition, the nata de coco also is good for a person who want to lose their weight because it contains a high cellulose and dietary fiber, which is an effective way to reducing their weight, so that they can eat that regularly as a snack. Okay. Well, actually, nata de coco is also good for a person to consume after doing outdoor activities because the water content in nata de coco almost 80%. And then it's good to replenish our body and also refreshing ourselves after doing such outdoor activities. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
And thank you for you guys for watching, and I would like to thanks to all of my members for explanation. And that's all from us. Thank you.